Hey guys, Bitsmores here, and today we are doing day 2 of our Amiibo unboxing. Today we got 8-bit Anniversary Mario. So, nice 8-bit pixel. And I like the stand on this one a lot. The thing that makes him float or stand is 8-bit also. And let's open this one up. And here is the 8-bit Pixel Mario 360 view of it. And also, I forgot to show you the back of the box. This actually looks quite cool too. So, yeah. Nice detail with the stand and the thing that makes him jump. Looks pixelated too. So, it also feels really pixely. And it also says Super Mario Bros. 30th on the side. So, hope you enjoyed day 2 of our Amiibo unboxing.